Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a vlog, as you guys read by the title, and I know that you guys can tell that I'm rushing right now, but just because I promised last time that my next vlog is going to have a get ready with me, I will take the responsibility of completing my getting ready on camera. So you guys, all I have to do, like, I'm practically ready. This is what I'm wearing. I've put on like my earrings. I've accessorized like to the best of my knowledge. I plan to wear jewelry, but like I don't think it's necessary because my shirt has this thing here. But like if I feel like it's necessary, then I'll do the needful. But yeah, for now, all I need to do is wear my wig, put on lip gloss, and brush my eyebrows. You guys, the reason I'm wearing wig, even though we're just going to a beach, like I don't see the point of wearing wig to a beach. Like, breathe. But because of this nonsense back that they did on my hair, like this back has just been a week and I think one day, and it's already this rough. So I have to look like I can't be looking like what I'm going through. Anyways, so I don't know if I've ever mentioned to you guys that braids, wig is not baby girl lifestyle. Like baby girl lifestyle is actually having braids, because wig, I don't know, like it's just not, it's just too stressful for me. I don't know if it's just me. I know, yes, you still have to style braids, but like honestly, me, I think I will pick braids over wig anytime, any day, because I didn't even start wearing wig that early. Like when did I start wearing wig? I started wearing wig in like my 200 level. So like, yeah, you guys, my friend is already on her way with her family, so I need to hurry up. What else do I have to do? My lip gloss, my lip gloss is not here. You guys, I'll talk to you later. So you guys, we're at the beach now. We're here quite late because we ordered food and we're waiting for them to bring the food. So it's like almost 5. But it's the sunset. Look at like. Let me show you guys, everybody. Don't play. Sarah, say hi. Sorry. Meet my namesake, Amaracheee. Guys, who won my phone? I'm scared to go to the water side. The rest of my family, everybody's going. Then you want to slime me? Yes. You guys, I'm here with my mom. But like the moment she goes, I'm going. Yes, let's make our hearts. Oh yeah. See what you did. Yeah, this is scary. We're supposed to do it. You guys stop me from coming out. To do horse riding, but I'm scared. See the horse. I don't have to control it, so I need to go with somebody. Look at the horses are here. The horses are here. Guys, my parents being lovebirds as usual. So yeah, I just have to do a voiceover from this point because my phone died, so I couldn't really record much. I couldn't really vlog the rest of the day. But yeah, we came to eat, relax, and then after that we went to take pictures, and that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.